Alright, so I picked this up, it's about 2 months ago, I guess. I haven't mentioned it yet because I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but I got it free, and it's a 1996 Yamaha Wave Raider 760. So they said that it would start and run, but it wouldn't like idle. You had to literally push to give it gas like all the way for it to continue to run. So they think the lines need to be cleaned out, and they just really don't use it anymore. So they said I could have it. So I am going to start with draining what gas is in there, because they said it's about 2 years old. It's been sitting, so you got to get a new battery for it, and then I'm thinking it's probably more the carburetors need to be cleaned or rebuilt, rather than it actually being the lines. But I got some of that marine sea foam. So you add like 2 ounces of it to like a gallon of gas and run it through, and it's supposed to clean all the injectors and clean the lines and all that stuff. So we'll see how that goes first. But for right now, I am going to go ahead and drain the existing gas in there. I also got to get a battery for it. The batteries are like $100. I got the old one charging. It's actually like 2 years old itself, but if it's just been sitting, I'm hoping maybe it'll take a charge and hold it. But we'll see. So I'm going to set the camera up and go ahead and start draining the gas. Man, there's a lot of gas in it. It's like 3/4 of the way full. But since they were already having a problem with it, keep running, I don't want to take a chance of trying to use that gas. So I'll try to drain everything out, see how the gas tank looks. And then get some fresh gas. Well, that gas doesn't really look bad, but I don't really know. Most of the stuff I read said that if it's over a year old, you need to get rid of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's a way I can prop this up. I mean, the gas looks good, it smells good. No, I'm not going to chance it. I'll just drain it. That's probably going to take a while. So while that's draining, I think I'm going to try to look at the fuel filter, the one that's attached to the line, and try to take the top off the tank so I can look down in there. See what I need to take that off. Probably gonna have to watch a video, make sure I don't mess that up. Yeah, I'll watch a video first. So I can get this fuel filter out. Take a look, see what it looks like. Well, I'm gonna have to cut that zip tie. Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch some videos and then go from there. I haven't even really looked it up. I'm just trying to do the most basic stuff. Most of these will just twist. This does not seem like that's one of them. Alright, I'll do some research and then bring you back. Okay, so that's like a 3-gallon plant holder, and I've dumped it 3 times already. And the way gas price is right now, today's the 4th of July, even though this probably won't get out until way after it, so I hope everyone had a good 4th of July. But I think gas is like $4.30 a gallon, so it's kind of depressing to drain this thing and dump it out. Let's see, and that's if you just get regular, but that's about 40 bucks already. Great. It'll be worth it though to make sure I don't run any bad gas through and cause problems worse than it already had. Okay, so I got the gas completely drained out. I think it was about 12 gallons, so that was a bummer. But I have yet to find a video showing how to check that. There's been several that were for a different style that were just around like you would see on just a regular inline fuel to filter for like an outboard motor, which are fairly easy to the top. You can kind of, most of them you just twist a little bit and then it pops right off. And then the sending unit, and then the controller for this, that I'm having a problem getting these off, and several videos people are showing you what to check if that goes out, but they're not actually showing you how to pull that out. So it does seem like it twists a little bit, but it probably is just going to pop off. I just didn't want to do that in case that's not it, and I don't want to wreck it. So what I'm going to do, put the clamps back on, put that back where it's supposed to go. I'm going to go get some gas and try that seafoam treatment just the way everything is and see if that helps. And if it doesn't, then start going one by one. Plus that'll give me a little more time to actually do some research or try to find more videos, or actually try to find like a forum like I do with the pontoon boat to talk and ask people. So I'm going to put all this back. Okay. So I'm gonna run go get some gas, add some seafoam. Okay, I just got back with the gas. Looks like it's about to storm. Be nice. Hopefully it'll cool it off because it's like 94 degrees. So what I'm gonna do, the battery's still charging. Basically been charging all day, so I just don't know if it's holding the charge or not. But I drained the gas out. There's still a little bit in there. So this is the seafoam, the marine fuel treatment stuff. So my friend, I think I've talked about him before, he's a mechanic. Unfortunately, he doesn't live in this state, so he can't like help me. But he said drain it and then put about 4 ounces in actual gas tanks. That way, anything down in there, hopefully this will help clean it out. This thing is like 2 ounces. And then the directions on this, it says like if you're using it just as preventative, then you put like 1 ounce per gallon. And if you're really needing a good clean out, then do 2 ounces per gallon. But I saw someone's video where they put like I think 6 ounces in like a gallon and then ran it through their outboard and just let it run all the way through, and like he was videotaped how it was like sputtering and stuff, and then after he did it, he didn't have any more problems. So I put, I think I did 3 ounces per gallon, and I got the non-ethanol gas, which was like $4.57. I think I took a picture of it. If I did, I'll insert it here. So I'm gonna just try to put like a gallon in, and then if I can get it to start, try to let it run that gallon out, and then I'll add more in. This had like half a gallon left in it, then I got 2.5 gallons. That should be a gallon that I just put in, a little more. Okay, so then I'm gonna wait, and hopefully it'll rain, cool it off, and then stop. It's not supposed to rain, it's just to be a quick passing storm. And hopefully the battery will be charged up, so you can see me try to start it. Hopefully that battery will hold a charge. If not, then it'll probably be several days later after work. I'll pick up a new battery and you'll see that. So. Okay, so it's been like a week later. Well, not a whole week. July 4th, I think, was like a Monday. Today's Friday. It's literally every time I get home from work, it's storming, because every day it's been like freaking 90s, and my camera's fogging up. Sorry about that. It probably will, because I just brought it up from a cool house. So anyway, I got a break in the weather, so I'm going to try to put this battery in. We're going to try to kick it over for the first time. You can probably hear the wind. Probably going to storm again here in a minute, but let's see if we can put this in right quick. Little batteries, freaking $100. Okay. Hey. I think I got some starter fluid. It hadn't been started in like 2 years, I think they said, so there should be at least a gallon of gas in it. I think more like a gallon and a half, but let me go grab some starter fluid. Thing about to get rained out. Definitely gotta get some new spark plugs. I mean, it kicked for a second, so I think I sprayed it one more time. Yeah. Oh, that one, the points broke off. Okay, well I mean that's promising that it kicked over, so we'll take the plugs out. I'll get more plugs tomorrow. Probably add a little bit more gas to it because it really doesn't. I mean, you can barely see what I put in there, so I might go ahead and order a new fuel filter and water, whatever they call it. Okay, so let me get out of here before I get struck by lightning or it starts downpouring.